Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our bike ride around Sir Casimir Gzowski Park in Toronto, Ontario. This beautiful park is located along the shores of Lake Ontario, offering a perfect blend of recreational opportunities and stunning waterfront views. This park is named in honor of Sir Casimir Stanislaus Gzowski, a prominent Polish-Canadian engineer who made significant contributions to the development of Canada's infrastructure in the 19th century. The park itself is a tribute to his legacy and offers a peaceful retreat from the bustling city. The park is part of Toronto's Martin Goodman Trail, a popular route for cyclists, runners, and walkers that stretches along the city's lakeshore. This trail offers breathtaking views and a seamless connection to other waterfront parks and attractions. The park's location near the Humber Bay Arch Bridge adds to its charm, offering a striking architectural contrast to the natural beauty of the area. The bridge is a popular spot for photography and provides a unique vantage point for viewing the surrounding landscape. Thank you for joining us on this bike ride around Sir Casimir Gzowski Park. Whether you're a local or a visitor, there's always something special to discover in this waterfront oasis. watching!